Welcome to the Anna Darpan procurement demo. In this demo, we will showcase how to configure the geotagging committee, responsible for entering and maintaining the approved routes for millers. We have now completed the CMR Master prerequisites 3 steps: CMRTC Master, Depot Cost Factors Setup, and Miller Setup. In this stage of CMR Master configuration, we set up the geotagging committee. Geotagging in CMR helps capture and validate the route and location-related details linked to miller movements, ensuring better traceability and operational control. The committee members are responsible for entering and maintaining the approved routes for millers, which supports smooth planning for procurement, dispatch, and verification activities. Once the committee is formed and millers are mapped to it, designated committee members capture the available routes and save them in the system. The divisional office staff logs in and navigates to CMR Master, Geotagging Committee. On the Geotagging Committee page, the user clicks Create Committee to open the committee creation form. The user enters a clear committee name and selects Active Up to define how long the committee remains valid. Next, the user adds the required committee members who will be responsible for capturing and maintaining the geotagging and route details. The user then selects and assigns the relevant millers to this committee so that each mapped miller can be handled by the assigned members. After reviewing the entries, the user clicks Submit to create the committee. Now the assigned committee member logs into the system and navigates to Committee List, Capture Location Details. The user selects the assigned miller from the drop-down list. The system displays the route capture section where the committee member enters the available routes for that miller, ensuring the route details match the expected operational path for depot movement. After entering the route information, the committee member clicks the Save button seen on the right side to store the route against the map depot and miller. This completes another stage of CMR Master configuration. With the geotagging committee created and route details captured by authorized members, the system is now prepared to support location-based validation and traceable miller operations under the CMR workflow. Thank you.